welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa and you're watching Makeover with Mel. In this video we are going to go through my Stitch Fix box that I got for the month of August. I'm super excited with what I got. It comes, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription. It's $20 a month that they deduct from your checking account. And if you buy everything, you get 25% off of your purchase. They also deduct that $20 from whatever you buy, whatever you keep. It comes with a little pouch to send your stuff that you don't want back. It comes with a little card that gives you ideas of how you can style the items that they've sent you. And then it comes with the envelope, and in the envelope it has a little personal card to you from your stylist. And my stylist this time is Kim. Your stylist picks from Kim. And I got one extra in this box, and it was a pair of thongs. They were cream colored lace. Super cute. Not going to show you those because I'm wearing those right now. But absolutely loved them, so I had to keep them. But they sent me 5 items, and in this box, it was a lot pricier than what I would ever spend on an item. Well, minus that skirt that I bought the other day. But yeah, the prices on these were just too extremely high for me. But we'll get into it. The first thing, the one thing that I loved the most was this dress. It's by Fortune Plus Ivy. It's in a 2X, and it is the softest feeling dress. I love it's a faux wrap, and it has this little tie on the side. It has flutter-like sleeves, and it's a black with the floral prints, and it's also high-low at the bottom. Super cute. Fits amazing. I absolutely love it. If I was to keep this one, let me find out. That's the straight leg pants. It doesn't tell you what's what, whether it's a dress or Fox Marybelle sleeve knit top. Irene Fox. What did I say the name of it was? Maybe that would help me. Fortune Ivy. Yep. Irene Fox wrap brushed dress. I'm assuming it would be dress. Black 2X. It's $54. Actually, that's not too bad. I was thinking the dresses were like the $88 stuff. But they're not. The one other thing that I liked the most was $88. But this was $58. So if I keep it, that's an extra $38. Because they subtract the $20 that I've already spent on my box on this item. So yeah, that's super cute. Okay, the next item is another dress. I'm a sucker when it comes to dresses. This one also is a faux wrap. That's the only thing. I hate faux wrap dresses, or wrap dresses in general. I hate them. I have a apple-shaped body. All my weight is in my waist, so with these types of dresses, I think they accentuate that area of your belly. So therefore, that's why I don't like them. But they do make your boobs look good. But this one is V-neck faux wrap, and it's black on top with 3/4 inch sleeves, and it has black with white polka dots on the bottom. It is lined, so there's 2 layers here. You've got black lining underneath, with the sheer black with white polka dots. It is by Mix by, I can't read it, it's too small. It's in a 2X, and if I was to keep this one, Mix by 41 Hawthorne, it is $58. So not bad, because the quality is amazing in these dresses. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, but that first one, I may think twice about sending it back. Because I've already spent $20, which those are deducted from the underwear that I kept, which were $23. But they were, the quality was great, so they're well worth the $23. I don't have a lot of good underwear. So yes, I really like those, but that's what my $20 will go towards, is the underwear. So I still owe $3. The next thing is my second most favorite out of the box. They are by Erica Taylor in a 1X, and I thought when I seen 1X that they ain't no way I'm going to get them things on my hind end. But they fit amazing. They stretch, and they're black with these designs on it. I don't know if you can see the, yeah, there we go. See those designs? And they're just pull-up pants. They are straight-legged, so they fit great. And they have this little slit in the bottom. You can see that. And then the length of them are perfect. They are perfect. I am 5'5". I just found out the other day that all my life I thought I was 5'4" as an adult, but I'm 5'5". But yeah, these, if I was to keep them, they're Erica Taylor Karen printed straight leg pant, black, 1X. They're $88. I had to swallow twice over that one. Too pricey for me. I loved them, but too pricey for me. This next item would go great with those slacks. And the quality of it is great. It's a very thick blouse. It'd be great for this fall and winter because it's so thick, but it's white with the black stripes. It's by 31 Hawthorne, 41 Hawthorne. So I got something messed up, didn't I? Anyway, 41 Hawthorne in a 2X, and it is $58. And it's got 3/4 inch sleeve with the little bell sleeve. I'm a sucker when it comes to bell sleeves. The length of it, it hits right below the hip area, so I think the length of it is amazing. But it fits good, it feels good, it's soft, and I love the color. It goes great with those black slacks. And if I was to keep it, it would run me $58. And the last, which is my third favorite in the box, is this blouse. It's a creamy white color with florals. It has these little buttons down the front, but they're faux buttons. It has a V-neck. It has a little bit of ruching here on each side. And then it has 3/4 inch sleeves with a little bit of elastic around the sleeve. And the length of it goes down below my hips. And it is by Be Skies Are Blue in a 2X. It fits a little bigger than a 2X. I'm thinking it's more like a 3X in the fit because I could spread it out and have plenty of room. But it's lightweight, very comfortable, great for this summer, to finish off the summer with. Then you could pair it with some boots and some jeans and wear it for this winter, and wear a little cardigan with the pink or the green colors over it. That would be super cute. But absolutely loved it. And if I was to keep it, it is Skies Are Blue, Devon button detail top, off-white, 2X. It's $54. Super cute. I liked it. Now let's go over pricing. If I kept everything in the box, it's $308. And if you keep everything, you get the 25% discount, which made it $77. Then I had my extra, which is $23, so that made it $254. Then they subtract the $20 styling fee, and that made the entire box, if I keep the entire box, $234. At first, other than the underwear, I was not going to keep anything. But I'm thinking seriously about the flowered dress. It's $54. Fortune and Ivy. You guys let me know what you think. Whether you think I should keep that dress. Does it look good on me? I've still got 2 more days before I have to send this back. And I'm going to upload the video tonight. So you guys let me know if I should keep that dress if it's worth $54, the look on me. But that's all I've got for this video. You guys hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you bunches.